Welcome to 2629 Star Lake View Drive. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home located in Kissimmee. As you enter into the home with the tall vaulted ceilings, straight to the right-hand side, you have your first master suite. Each bedroom has their own TV. This bathroom comes with a large soaking tub and a walk-in closet. Tile floors in the main living room areas and kitchen. A nice open floor plan. The kitchen comes with all stainless steel, well, mostly stainless steel appliances. Your kitchen pantry. Take a look out here just off the kitchen. We have the laundry room. And leading out to the 2-car garage, which is currently being used as a games room. We have additional storage space on the back of the garage. As we continue through, the first bedroom we come to on the right-hand side is going to be your second master suite, which, as you can see, is very spacious. You have sliding glass doors that overlook the beautiful pool area and water views in the back. Again, you have your own TV. This bathroom has a walk-in shower, walk-in closet, and vanity. And so you also have eat-in space in the kitchen with your breakfast bar, granite countertops, and beautifully furnished living room. And your final 2 bedrooms. The other side of the house, you have a linen closet here. Bedroom number 3 with your TV. Guest bathroom. And bedroom number 4. As we head through the living room area, we're going to go out and take a look at the pool. As you can see, we have a covered area to keep you out of the weather, out of the sun. A nice oversized pool deck so you can enjoy this beautiful view. And enjoy the beautiful Florida days. So if you have any questions about this property, please contact us. We'll be glad to help. Thank you.